Hello everyone, and welcome to this guide. Today we will guide you on how to skip Meta verified waitlist. So let's dive right in. Firstly, open Instagram and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Within Settings and Privacy, navigate to Account Center at the top. Scroll down and click on Meta Verified, where you'll likely see the option to join the waitlist. Now, there's only one way to potentially skip this process, but it comes with a caveat. You must be an established public figure. If you meet this criterion, follow along. In the search bar, type Request and select Request Verification. Proceed to input your full name and provide documents confirming your notability in the public sphere. Include relevant links and submit your request. Keep in mind, if you're an average user, the chances of approval are slim. However, if you're already notable on social media or in the public eye, this method may work for you. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.